Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? This is a customer appreciation post, ladies and gentlemen. Cars like this do exist. Customers in for their 60,000 mile major service. And when I got in the car, I damn near cried. I'll be honest with you. Some of these customers do exist, and it is a breath of fresh air when the car has some age to it, has some mileage to it, but it is immaculate on the inside. Smells new in here. I cannot believe it. The engine bay looks like the customer wipes it down himself and keeps it clean. Let's go back to this engine bay. I did nothing here. The only thing I did was take the oil cap off to start the service. And you could see the wipe marks. They clean their engine bay. They clean their cowl. They take pride in their vehicle. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of pride in your vehicle. Look at this. Beautiful. I can cry. I really can. And the thing that got me the most, everybody, the one thing that got me the most, let me turn the light on so you could see this. The wheel lock is waiting in the cup holder. That's what got me. Thank you. Whoever this customer is, thank you very much. We're going to take extra care of you today. We're going to spend some good time on you and make this car right. 60,000 mile service, engine air, cabin air, spark plugs, full multi-point inspection, tire rotation, and all the little things in between. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. And to whoever the owner of this car is, thank you so much.